Welcome to ChinaSecurities.com and Chinese Stocks TV, a daily, fast-paced, edgy show bringing the best press releases of the Chinese small and mid-cap space at the open so you can hopefully profit from them and maybe find your next great Chinese investment. It's Wednesday, October the 14th. I've got two great press releases for you. Let's get straight to them. First up, EFUT information trades on the NASDAQ under EFUT. They're announcing financial results for the full year ended December 31st, 2008. And I'm going to get to that in a second because that's 10 months ago. That seems late, and there's a reason for that. First of all, revenues were up 65% to $20.5 million. Gross profits up 50% to $8.5 million. Net loss, $700,000 as opposed to a net loss for last year for $3.15 million, or the preceding year, sorry. So what we've got here, big top line growth and significant bottom line improvement. That's exactly the trend we like to see. Now, why is this coming out 10 months later? I've got a quote here from the CFO of the company. It looks like they went through a re-audit process where they identified material weaknesses and deficiencies in their internal controls. So we're not talking about that press release, which probably came out several months ago, and there's a lot of uncertainty. They've gone through the process, they've gone through the re-audit, and they've reported these numbers. So this may provide a good re-entry point if you're looking at a company that's lost significant confidence from its shareholders and the investment community. And we go on. What I also like about that is the company affirmed their upward revision of 2009 revenue guidance to between $28 and $29 million. So that's going to be, if you base it on $20.5 million they did in 2008. You're talking about a 40 to 45% top line revenue improvement. That's a pretty good number. The company closed yesterday just over $8, 52-week high, 1384, 52-week low, 251. So you talk about dead smack in the middle of the 52-week trading range. It looks like they have not participated in that jump that a lot of the Chinese companies have participated in over the last 7 or 8 months. So it's maybe a good entry point. Do your due diligence, but I like it when a company's cleaned up its act and now is on the way back. We've also got China Insonline, trades on the NASDAQ under CHIO. They say that they operate one of China's leading insurance service web portals, and they're reporting their numbers for the year ended June 30, 2009. Here are the highlights. Net revenue up 31% to just under $18 million. Net income is up 10% to $9.177 million. Earnings per share, 23 cents per share. That's on 40 million shares. I say that because last year did 25 cents per share, so you might think that actually dropped, but in fact that last year was done on just 34 million shares. So looks like they've improved the bottom line as well. Why is that important? They closed yesterday at just $1, so they're trading at about 4 times earnings. That to me I think is cheap. Do your due diligence. Make sure there aren't any skeletons in the closet, but this looks like a really great entry point here. They say that they represent major insurance underwriting firms in China, and they offer online automobile, property, and life insurance services through its industry web portal. I like that business, staple business. I see growth in that for years to come. I like the fact that they do it online, obviously, because ChinaSecurities.com, we're online as well. That's a wrap. As always, quality over quantity, 2 companies, but we're always bringing the best news, not filler news. If you look for more great Chinese small and mid-cap companies and the ones that are really making news, then get to our front page, ChinaSecurities.com, and do 3 things there. First, have a look at this show every single day. You can tune in here, or you can subscribe to it through YouTube, Blip, or any one of your favorite video providers. We syndicate on all of them. 2, take a look at the best headlines that we've segregated by industry over the last few days. That gives you the ability to catch up on any news you've missed. And finally, the directory. There's a link right into the directory. We're tracking about 300 of the best small and mid-cap Chinese companies trading on North American exchanges. Great succinct descriptions, but you can also filter that list down by industry and exchange so you can quickly find the ones that best suit your portfolio. That's a wrap. Have a great day. See you tomorrow.